Hi, welcome back to graphixslice channel. So today we are going to discuss text style. In this class we are going to discuss water text effect. So first go to new file. So take a new file. So I'm going to take a new file with the width of 1280 by 720 and with the resolution of 72. It's in pixel. So switch to landscape orientation and color is in RGB. So click create. Okay, so in new file I'm going to add a background image. Just double click. Just I'm going to take glass with water drops. Just drag and drop here. Just close it. So its resolution is compared to this one is high. Just I'm going to make it fit. Using Ctrl T, make it fit with this image. Then Ctrl 0, automatically it will refits the window. I'm going to take a text effect. So in text effect, so we can change the font type. So I'm going to take a Comica patch. Select the text effect and we can prepare a water text effect. So I'm going to type water and use Ctrl T for scaling. So use Ctrl T. Okay, I'm going to prepare like this. Just enter. So after that we'll go to layer style manager. In layer style manager, just double click on a water text. So we'll go to the layer style options. So here turn off the opacity in blending options. Just make it 0. Then go to bevel option. In bevel option, here we'll change some settings. So first one is inner bevel. Next switch to smooth. So depth switch to 100 and size. So I'm going to change it. So I'm going to switch a size up to 30. We may increase or decrease. So 30 is enough. And next soften, leave it 0 and set the angles. So I'm going to set angle 30 and this one attitude I'm going to set this 70. So see the effect how it looks here, and then go to the screen and must be in white color only and apply the opacity, or else you can increase or decrease the opacity. Here as an 80 degree, so according to that you'll get a shades here. Then this must be also under screen parameter. Switch to screen and again convert this to white, opacity increase and decrease. So I'm going to make it 60. See the effect how you are going to get here. So this is about bevel and emboss option. So next we'll move to inner shadows. So go to the inner shadows. See here background color is green color is available, but according to the our background image need to change this. Just click here and switch dark color blue. I'm going to set here. So this should be in multiply, and then opacity you may decrease or increase. I'm going to increase up to 100. The next angle is in 30 degree. I'm going to make it 60. This one 12 and this one also I'm going to make it 12. So 12 and 12. Then no need to change this. So next we'll move to drop shadow. Again go to the drop shadow. So drop shadow according to the background, here also we are going to change blue color, dark blue. I'm going to switch. So this must be multiply and blend opacity. I'm going to switch to 100. After that angle, okay, so leave it to 60 degree. Then here I'm going to make change distance 5. Then this one spread 0 and then size I'm going to make it 6. See the difference here. Manually we can increase the drop shadow, but I'm going to switch drop shadow distance 4 and 0, and this one size is 6. So that's it. This is watercolor text effect we prepared through the help of Bevel and Emboss, and then inner shadows and drop shadows. Just click OK. See, you can place anywhere. See, I'm going to place here. I'm going to adjust the background little bit. I'm going to change it. See, like this we can prepare. So if I prepare a same thing for different background, how it seems. See, we will try one more new background. Just go select any background. So we will try for this. Just drag and drop and go to Control T. So use Control T to scale this. Okay, Control 0. So this is water effect. So how it looks, see, naturally it looks. But here I'm going to make some modification before that. Why? Because here we are going to assign a green color background, right? For according to that we need to change little bit. So for that I'm going to make this one duplicate, this one leave it here. So then just double click here, Bevel and Emboss, no change. In inner shadows change the background color to green color. Same way in drop shadow also same, remove the blue color and assign a green color pattern. That's it. See, like this you'll get the result. So I hope you understand the concept. So please try this. So and use specific font Comica Parch. I will give it to you in description. Download it and try this. So thank you for watching the tutorial. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit like also.